Hey friends, how are you? I hope you are well. Now you want to make your Google Sheets table stand out with custom color. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to change table color in Google Sheet using simple formatting tools. Whether you want to color the header row, shade alternative rows, highlight important section, or design clean professional table, this video walk you throw everything in an easy and beginner friendly way. So let's get started. Now we can see here our table. Now you want to change the color, you can using the alternating color. Go to the format menu and select this alternating color. Then we can see here many default style. You can change your color. Now I am change on orange. Then click done. Then click outside and we can see we change the table color very easily. I hope you understand this process. If the video helped you design a better table in Google Sheets, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials every day. Thanks for watching.